Hey dreamers, ever wished you could remember those fleeting dreams? Well, buckle up, because I've got a powerful technique just for you. It's called Dreams, and it's about to make your dream recall game strong. D is for decide. Make a clear intention before bed that you will remember your dreams. R is for record. As soon as you wake up, jot down any fragments of your dream you can remember. E is for eyes. Keep your eyes closed after waking. This helps retain dream memories before they fade. A is for affirm. Tell yourself you're a dream rememberer, boosting your subconscious recall. M is for manage. Maintain a regular sleep schedule and practice relaxation techniques for better dream recall. S is for share. Discuss your dreams with others. It reinforces the memory. So, next time you wake up, follow the dreams technique and watch your dream recall skyrocket. Sweet dreams, and remember to hit that like if you're ready to unlock your dream world. Stay tuned for more insights and wisdom here at Mind Mastery Avenue. Keep nurturing your mind as you embark on the path to a better you.